Hi there, I'm Alex from Big Cartel Support, and today we're going to be talking about adding an image to a custom page in your shop. So to get started, you can click on the Customize Design button in your account page, and that's going to take you over to the Customize Design editor. You can look in the top left of the editor and click on the little earmarked page icon just to the right of the wrench. That's going to load in the Pages section, and you can click on the plus sign to add a new page. Or if you already have a page you'd like to use, you can click on the name of that page in the list. Once I've loaded the page editor, I can look for the Insert Image icon. That's just to the left of the little HTML icon. Clicking on Insert Image will give you this prompt. It will ask you for the URL for your hosted image. So in this case, I haven't uploaded an image yet, so I'm going to upload one using postimage.org, one of the hosts that's recommended in our Add Images guide. Postimage is great because they don't require you to create an account, so you can just get started uploading right away. So I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to grab an image, jupiter.jpg. It's an image of my dog, Jupiter. He's a very good boy. Okay, so now there are a whole bunch of options. All we need from this list is the direct link for now. So I'm going to copy that and head back over to the editor, insert image, and paste that in. You can see in the beginning of the link it's HTTPS, which indicates that it's securely hosted. And I click on OK. And voila, there's Jupiter. But now if I decide I don't really want to use that image, maybe I should use an image of myself instead, since it's an About Us page, I can go ahead and delete that out. For my next example, I'm going to show you how to add an image using Dropbox. So I've logged into the Dropbox site. There are apps and everything you can use as well, but this is just easy for a quick little example. So I can go to Upload Files, and maybe I'm going to use the blog image that Big Cartel used for me. So I grab my blog image, open, add it to my folder, and there we go. That's going to show up in recent, but it's also going to show up in the Files section. So I'm heading over to Files, and I'm looking for the Share button. So I'm going to click on Share, and if you look in the bottom, it says no link created yet. So I'm going to go ahead and create a link, and then copy that link. So there's a trick with Dropbox images. If I paste this URL in as it is, it's not going to work. I'm going to see this little broken icon, but I can fix that up real quick. I'm just going to delete that back out, and I'm going to change the end of the URL. So on Dropbox, you want to delete the DL equals 0 on the end and type in raw equals 1, RAW equals 1, and click OK. Hey, and it's me. The thing with Dropbox, you don't have to memorize that trick, but you can consult it when you need it. So for instance, we have our Help Center article here. There's a little section for if you're using Dropbox, what to do. You're just taking out the DL equals 0 on the end and replacing it with raw equals 1. After that, you're all set, and you can keep adding more images if you'd like, or make any edits that you'd want to make to your page along the way. Just let us know if you have any questions about this or anything else. You can contact support@bigcartel.com or reach out to us via the question mark bubble in the bottom right of your admin. You'll see a little option to ask us a question. We'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you so much. Goodbye.